Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my most recent Glossy Box. I have here, I believe it's May's Glossy Box. They're having an issue with sending them back and forth. But I did call in and they promised us that by July, all of the issues with delivery of their boxes will be resolved. I think it still has to do with the pandemic. But this box is super cute. It has like the sun, which gets me ready for the summer, and we're more than ready here in Texas. And it says, "Let the sun shine." It's a lovely box. On the inside, I love the color coordination. I do use these colors in my office. There is a coupon for $25. It's like a gift card. Yay! This pays for the box itself. A Glossy Box is usually about $20, $21. Today, I think if you join in the month of June, you can get it for $16 for the June box, which is a great deal. They have 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and I think 12 months subscriptions, I think. Don't quote me on that. It is overall a pretty sweet deal because you are getting more value in the form of products than if you were to buy each product separately. Usually there's 1 or 2 full-size products and then you get simple size items. So for this one, I'm going to share with you some screenshots of the eyewear website. And they do have super cute glasses, both sunglasses and prescription glasses, frames. And I thought I might spend my $25. I don't know. See if I need another pair of sunglasses. Here's a shout out to Kath Nail the Day. She has 300 pairs of sunglasses. Kath, you need to do a video on that. Usually there's like a little brochure, and the brochure will tell you what the items are that came in the box and what the value associated with them. Now, unfortunately, I think I signed on later in the month, and by the time they got to my box, they had to make 2 substitutions. But the value of the product that they used to substitute is the same. It's just a little disappointing. But again, like I said, maybe because of the shipping issues that they're having right now during the pandemic. And they promised by July, everything should be nice and clear. So I can show you the values as we open them. Usually there's a pretty little label. And the box is like last month's was pink. And I think maybe this is just an homage to summer. And they changed the color a little bit. So here are some of the products they have. I think the one that I think is the most amazing is the Helios by Earth Harbor. And it is an anti-pollution youth ampoule. An ampoule is usually one of those glasses that you break off and you put stuff in it. It's purely natural, ethical, C-active because it's plant-based. It has a whole bunch of things like algae. Ooh, I will probably need my glasses for that. But it has red algae, it has phytonutrients, no GMOs, it's vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten, no soy, woman-owned, and that's so cute. They have a little mermaid for the woman-owned part. I love packaging. I am in graphics design, so I just adore packaging and how people promote their products. So this is super fun for me. It's a small batch made, which is a great deal because, you know, products made in small batches are sold faster, therefore they are freshest when they come to the consumer, supposedly. I'm going crazy about oils now because it is a new experience to me. I have one for my face and it's all natural. It's from Peach's Skincare and I do use it at night. But these other ones are more like fun. They're beneficial as well. This one, it smells really nice. It's a very feminine smell. Let's see, it says anti-pollution ampoule, red algae, plant stem cells. You know, stem cells are not going to work unless they're injected into you, but whatever, we're just overlooking that. But it's a beautiful liquid. The oil is super light, you can see, and it has this red tint, and I'm assuming it's from red algae. It smells beautiful. It's a feminine smell. It's not necessarily a summer smell. But it is beautiful. It reminds me something from my childhood. Maybe some soapy or shampoo thing from my childhood. I don't know, but it is lovely, and it does soak in pretty well, and it will leave your skin looking pretty healthy. Love that. Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule. It's a full-size bottle, unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants and daily skin stressors. This ampoule is a necessity for skin in need of after-sun replenishment, bold defense against the elements, and thriving barrier function. It restores antioxidants, normalizes skin pH, and smooths fine lines. I want that. It says apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. Massage until absorbed and follow with moisturizer. So it is a face oil. All of these things are, because they are usually, face oils are in the range, especially if they're all natural, they're in the range of $40, between $40 and $50 on average. So this one is $48. It's lovely. I like the scent of it. I will probably wear it on my, I don't want to wear oil during the day, but like maybe after a full day in the sun, after a shower, maybe I'll put it on just to kind of like readjust the pH in my skin after cleansing it and after a day of being out. But I might use it on my skin before I go out in the morning, just because of the feeling. It's a luscious feeling to have hydration through oil instead of cream. It's just a new experience for me, so I really like that. All of these items are pretty much summer related. The next one, Uriage Eau Thermale, and it's hydrate, soothes, and protect, pure natural, drawn from the heart of the French Alps. Ooh, fancy! So this is French water. So usually I will use this as a refresh, like maybe after you had your makeup on and you just use it as a refresh. I love it. And in the summer, it will just cool you down after you've been sweating and walking around the streets. We're going to New Orleans in a few days, and I will take this with me in my purse so that when I'm hot and my makeup it's sticking, I won't wear much makeup, but when I'm walking, but it will refresh you, and you just spray a very light mist and it will just refresh you. Look at that. It's beautiful. So the thermal water is packaged directly at the source in the French Alps and filled with mineral salts. The skincare water is just what you need to moisturize, soothe, and protect your skin. It's perfect for those hot summer days ahead, for real. I agree. This extra treat is exclusively for our loyal subscribers. So if you just got a box for the first time, you probably won't have this if you're getting a one-off box. But this one, because you're a subscriber, you get this. It says spray on face and body as often as you want for cooling hydration. The price for a full-size bottle would be $12. I think it's fun. I love spraying water in my face, so yay. Perfect for the summer. Nutri-Plenish Leave-In Conditioner. It's by Aveda, which I love Aveda products. They always smell so good. My salon, where I have my haircut, only uses Aveda products, so I really like it. Shake well, mist clean hair, damper or dry, so you can actually use it dry. If I spray anything on my dry hair, it will look like crazy because it just curls up, and it's so hot in Houston. But oh, it smells so good. Yeah, I like the way it smells. And it will hydrate my hair. So So there. Let's try the other side too. See if it makes a difference on my crazy curls. I do like the way it smells. It smells fabulous, and I'm a sucker for smells. Very nice. Okay, so there it is. Hopefully get rid of some of the frizz, I wonder. See, like, I have all that frizz up there. I'm gonna try some. See how that works. Very nice. Well, it feels refreshing. Echo, what's the temperature outside? It's 90 degrees in Houston.
Low of 78 degrees.
Yep, with a low of 78 people. And the humidity, I'm sure it's 100%. Shield your hair from UV rays and heat damage with the 98% naturally derived formula free from silicones, parabens, and sulfate cleansers. It protects against the drying effects of the sun, leaving your hair nourished all day long. I do not see where it says it has full spectrum UV protection. So if there is, when I'm editing, I will write it down here. If not, I don't know how it would protect your hair from UV rays. The full size of the Nutri-Plenish leave-in conditioner is $37 at Aveda. Mineral bath salts. And I don't do soaking baths, but my daughter does. So this one is for her. And it's nice to have just a little pack. You just, after a long day of touring town, you get your bathtub in a hotel and soak in it. Valerian and hops mineral bath. Okay, valerian is a plant that is supposed to soothe and calm you down. It's proven. I actually drink a tea at night that has valerian in it, and it makes me go right to sleep. So awesome. After a busy day, nothing's better than a pampering bath. These stress-relieving salts promote better sleep thanks to calming benefits of valerian essential oil. See? The pure, uncontaminated thermal spring salt cleanses and naturally detoxifies. It's saying if you don't have a bathtub, no problem, pour into a large bowl of warm water and sink your feet into a soothing soak. Little packet is $4, but if you were to buy the full size, it would have been $20. Now, the two next products were substitutions, so they're not on the list. One of them is the Nuit Polair, which is polar night. It is a mask. Okay, so, you know, after a day in the sun, got that mask on. I'll try it. It smells okay. A little sweet. We'll see. Not completely impressed, but I cannot say I have used it to say anything about it. And mostly disappointed that I didn't get the very high protection sunscreen, which I can't use because I break out, but still I want what's on my card, not substitution. So that's my feedback to Glossy Box. And hopefully it won't be happening again. These are different strange times with the pandemic. So, and then the very last item is in substitution of the Do You, the Flawless Liquid Highlighter. So disappointed I didn't get this, you guys. So disappointed. But I got this here instead, which is Bellapierre Cosmetics. It's a brow gel. And I thought, it says Stay Put Brow Gel. And I thought, oh, okay, so it's just gonna be a clear gel that stays put. No, it actually has color. And the first time I tried this on, it was like, whoa, there's a lot of color in here. So what I learned to do is start on the arch of the brow so that it blends in with your hair. The first swatch of it, when you kind of go in, go at the brow, the peak of the brow where most of your hair is, so that it blends in, and then spread it outwards and then go fill in the other spots. Otherwise you get like a big chunk of brow product in the bare spots, and it just looks unblended and not my favorite look. But I love the packaging. I think it's super cute how it opens, how the brush is part of the packaging itself. Just unique. Again, I love packaging, and I think this is a fabulous little one. I will use it. The color might be a little too dark for me. If I think that it is too dark, I don't know, once I tan, it might blend in better. If not, I'm just going to give it to my sister. Even though the products are not exactly what the box said it would be, they're very fair in sending something of similar and equal value. I love receiving these boxes because I don't know what I'm gonna get. And like I said, one of the products alone pays for the entire box. If I were to go to Ulta or to Sephora or some other place to collect these products, I mean, the oil is $48. So for 20 bucks, 20 something dollars a month, I love all the goodies I get. Love, 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 love. So totally recommend. I am affiliated with the Glossy Box, as I am affiliated with pretty much every box. I love opening them and sharing them with you. If you use my link in the description, I will get a small portion that will help support the channel so I can purchase other boxes. So I appreciate if you are considering buying a Glossy Box, use my link below. This month, I think you can get the very first box for $16, which is crazy. Just go do it right now. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.